Small kitchens demand smart tools that save time, reduce effort, and deliver consistent results for everyday meal prep tasks. Today, we're going over the best mini food processor from our top picks: design, sharp blades, and strong motors to chop, blend, and puree ingredients quickly and efficiently. All product links are in the description below. Let's get into it. Number 1. KitchenAid KFC 3516ER Mini Food Processor. The KitchenAid KFC 3516ER Mini Food Processor is a practical choice for anyone who wants quick, hassle-free food prep in a compact form. Its 3.5-cup work bowl is ideal for small batches, whether you're making sauces, dips, or finely chopped vegetables. The locking blade design adds convenience and safety, especially when pouring out processed ingredients. With 2 speeds and a pulse option, it gives you solid control over texture, allowing everything from chunky salsa to smooth hummus. The drizzle basin is a thoughtful addition, making it easier to incorporate liquids evenly without stopping the machine. Its lightweight build and cord wrap system makes storage simple, perfect for smaller kitchens or limited counter space. Cleaning is also straightforward, since the bowl and accessories are dishwasher safe, saving time after cooking. It also includes helpful extras like a spatula and a recipe guide, adding value for users who want to experiment. Though compact, it offers consistent results and durability, making it a reliable everyday kitchen tool for light to moderate food preparation tasks. Number 2. Cuisinart Brushed Mini Food Processor. The Cuisinart Brushed Mini Food Processor delivers dependable performance in a sleek and compact design. Powered by a 250-watt motor, it handles everyday chopping and grinding tasks with ease, making it suitable for preparing ingredients like herbs, nuts, and vegetables. Its standout feature is the reversible stainless steel blade, which allows you to switch between chopping and grinding functions efficiently. The push-button control panel is simple to operate even for beginners, while the lightweight body makes it easy to handle and move around the kitchen. The 4-cup work bowl provides slightly more capacity than many processors, which is useful for small family meals. Cleanup is convenient as the bowl and lid are dishwasher safe, saving time after cooking. It also includes helpful extras like a spatula and a recipe guide, adding value for users who want to experiment. Though compact, it offers consistent results and durability, making it a reliable everyday kitchen tool for light to moderate food preparation tasks. Number 3. TOMBOT IU Mini Food Processor. The TOMBOT IU Mini Food Processor is a powerful and versatile option designed for users who need more than basic chopping. With a strong 300-watt motor and dual-speed settings, it handles a wide range of ingredients, from soft fruits to tougher meats and nuts. The inclusion of 4 bi-level stainless steel blades ensures even and efficient processing, reducing the need for manual mixing. Its large 1.8-liter stainless steel bowl sets it apart from typical mini processors, offering enough capacity for family meals or batch preparation. The durable, unbreakable design of the bowl adds to its long-term reliability, while the splash-proof lid keeps your kitchen clean during operation. It's also relatively quiet despite its power, which is a bonus for everyday use. Operation is simple with a press-button control, and cleaning is easy since most parts are dishwasher safe. Overall, this processor combines strength, capacity, and versatility, making it suitable for users who want a compact yet capable kitchen companion. Number 4. Hamilton 250-watt Mini Food Processor. The Hamilton 250-watt Mini Food Processor stands out for its versatility and user-friendly design. With a 4-cup capacity, it strikes a good balance between compact size and functional space, making it ideal for everyday kitchen tasks. Beyond simple chopping and pureeing, it can also slice, shred, and even blend smoothies, offering more flexibility than many mini processors. The stainless steel quad blade ensures consistent results, while the reversible disc adds extra functionality for preparing vegetables and cheese. Its leak-proof bowl design is especially useful when working with liquids, helping to prevent mess during processing.
One of its most convenient features is the easy stack and snap assembly, eliminating the frustration of complicated locking systems. The large feed chute is another time saver, reducing the need for pre-cutting ingredients. Cleanup is straightforward, and the intuitive controls make it accessible for all skill levels. Overall, it's a well-rounded and efficient appliance for users looking for versatility in a compact form.
Number 5. Cuisinart RMC100 Mini Food Processor. The Cuisinart RMC100 Mini Food Processor brings a modern twist to convenience with its cordless, rechargeable design. This feature makes it highly portable and ideal for kitchens where counter space or power outlets are limited. Despite its compact build, it offers a 4-cup capacity, which is sufficient for everyday chopping and grinding tasks. The one-touch operation keeps things simple, allowing users to quickly process ingredients without complicated settings. Its stainless steel blade delivers consistent performance, while the reversible function adds flexibility for different textures. The comfort handle on the bowl enhances usability, especially when transferring ingredients. Since it's cordless, it's also easy to move around, making it useful for outdoor cooking or quick prep anywhere in the home. Cleaning is easy, with detachable components that can be washed without hassle. Overall, this model is perfect for those who value portability, simplicity, and efficient performance in a compact kitchen tool. That wraps up the top 5 best mini food processor. Like, subscribe to the Ultimate Review, and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching. See you next time.